Hi everyone, my name is Anis Acharya and this is my video for exercise 3 in MGS 350 Employment Law. For this assignment, I found a recent Canadian case from May 2025 involving an Ontario employee, Leslie Bride, who worked remotely for over a year and was later told by her employer to return to in-person work or resign. This case was featured in HR reporters and is called "Remote Work Recalls Lead to Constructive Dismissal." So the first question that I have to answer is, what did the employer do wrong? The employer made a major mistake by changing the terms of the employee's job without her agreement. Leslie had been working remotely from Europe over a year with a full approval and was doing her job pretty well. Suddenly, her employer told her that she had to come back to office or else she would be considered to have resigned. That's not how employment work. If there is no agreement saying remote work would end, the employer can't force a change like that, especially after allowing remote work for so long. The court agreed that this was unfair and found that the employee's uh, action amounted to constructive dismissal. The second question is, what law did the employer violated? This case falls under the common law, especially the concept of constructive dismissal. In Canada, constructive dismissal happens when an employer makes a significant change to the term of employment without the employee's agreement. It's illegal. It's legally seen as the employer ending the job, even if they did not technically fire the person, because Leslie's job contract didn't say that she had to be in the office and she had been working remotely for a long time. Forcing her to return was a big change. The court ruled it was a violation of her right under the right common law. The third question would be, what should the employer have done instead? The employer should have a proper discussion with Leslie about any changes and ask her for input or consent. If they really needed her to come back in person, they could have given a reasonable notice, offered a transition period, or tried a hybrid model. Most importantly, they should have had a signature assignment in a place from the beginning that clarified the remote work terms. Instead of giving her an ultimatum, they should have respected the work agreement and that they had already prepared before. The fourth question would be, what legal remedies were available to the employee? Because the court ruled that she was constructively dismissed, Leslie was entitled to damage, just like someone's who was wrongly fired. This includes notice pay or compensation in lieu of notice. The court awarded her with a financial compensation for the unfair treatment she experienced due to the employer's action. And the final thought for this case would be, this case really highlights how important it is for the employee to follow the rules, especially when making the change to how or where the employee work. The pandemic changed a lot of things about the workplace expectations, and this case shows that even after COVID, remote work agreements are legally meaningful. Thank you for watching my presentation, and I hope you found it clear and informative. Thank you so much.